this way, my friends. Come closer, come closer. A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. And as we always say here at Onaka Transport Solutions, get out of here and
For
go
your
right out
safety,
those
remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños. Gracias.
Your seatbelts go from the outside to the inside and are very important. Perfect. Pressing any and all flashing lights. Good luck and may the force.
Engineers, automatic repair engaged. Right pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly up and push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. There's the train. Jump, up. Yes, keep shooting. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. There it is. After that train. Gunners, fire the harpoons. Left pilot, brakes. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. The power of the ship. Well, I can go axial. You see, just as I promised, my friend, now that the resistance has what they need, maybe a little something for cargo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Gunners, fire the harpoon. Get behind the train. Pilots, into the center. Well, it's harder than it looks. A gunship? Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. It's coming down. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost, boost, boost. We made it. I don't believe it, but we made it. Now, let's get out of here. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieved one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut, minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon, is... Oh, that is rough.